I'm a chemist. I've been doing chemistry for quite some time. I have a master's degree in like industrial chemistry for nuclear materials, which is very far away from cultural heritage, but I was very lucky to get into a museum after I finished my master's degree, to actually work as a conservation scientist in a research department. Well, when I was looking for different PhD positions in Europe, I mean, this was one of the ones that I found and kind of caught my attention because, I mean, I've never really heard about atomic oxygen before, and it seemed like a very interesting kind of like idea and innovation to try. Atomic oxygen is very different in the mode of application and also in the interaction with the contaminant, with the material. And I found that really, really interesting, especially because I could apply it to the oil paintings, which I like a lot. And there we could expect to see some interesting results because the interaction with oxygen is it's a natural part of the aging of the oil paints. So I did expect that it would be very interesting to kind of see the impacts or like what is happening when we try to apply this technology for the cleaning of oil paints. I mean, it's a huge project. Of course, there's a lot of people working here, but the part that I'm working with specifically is the chemical analysis as a way to try understand the potential impacts of atomic oxygen. So if we use atomic oxygen to say clean off the dust or soot from the surface of an oil painting, what would happen to the oil paints? What would happen to the artistic materials? And the question is, I mean, it sounds simple, but there is so much thought in that because you have to understand what is happening to them naturally, what you can expect. How do you measure that? But which things do you look at? Because I mean, there is you can look at the surface, you can look at the chemistry, you can look at the like the oxidation and the aging and how it impacts that. So in this complexity, it was very, very interesting to try and understand how do you try and analyze this impact from a new technique on the oil paint chemistry. So that really caught my attention. And it's been very interesting trying to understand that so far. And I'm very, very happy that we do get some results.